Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the Mailzio software, the world's first AI autoresponder that reads, replies, campaigns, sells, and supports your customers across every channel on complete autopilot. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel, you'll have access to dashboard, inbox, contacts, deals, knowledge base, temp mail, workflows, campaigns, analytics, activity, help center, and settings. Let's begin with Inbox. With the built-in Inbox feature, you can manage and reply to all your messages from one centralized dashboard. With the Contacts feature, you can easily import, export, and manually add contacts to manage your audience effortlessly. With the built-in Deals pipeline, you can track leads, manage negotiations, organize opportunities, and monitor your entire sales process with ease. With the Knowledge Base feature, you can train your AI using documents, websites, and Q&A data to deliver smarter and more accurate responses. With the built-in Temp Mail feature, you can instantly generate disposable email addresses for secure sign-ups, testing purposes, avoiding spam, and protecting your primary inbox privacy effortlessly. With the powerful Workflow Automation feature, you can create fully automated customer journeys using ready-made templates or build your own workflows from scratch with an easy drag-and-drop editor. Simply choose a template, customize the workflow steps based on your business needs, configure actions like emails, tags, delays, notifications, and CRM updates, then click the Activate button on the top right to make your automation live instantly. With the Campaigns feature, you can easily create, design, schedule, and send professional email or SMS campaigns in just a few simple steps. First, choose how you want to send your campaign using email campaign or SMS campaign. Then enter your campaign name, select the campaign type such as regular campaign or A/B test, add your subject line, preview text, and choose your sending account. Once everything is configured, click the Next Content button on the bottom right to move to the next setup page. Inside the template builder, you can easily design your email using the drag-and-drop editor by adding blocks like text, images, buttons, social links, columns, headers, and footers without writing any code. Simply drag and drop the blocks you need, customize the design and content, then click the Use in Campaign button on the top right to continue. Next, select your target audience by choosing all contacts, contact groups, segments, or specific contacts depending on who you want to send the campaign to. Finally, on the Schedule and Send page, you can either send the campaign instantly or schedule it for a later date and time. In this demo, I'm scheduling this campaign before sending it live. With the Analytics section, you can track your overall business and campaign performance using detailed insights like total conversations, response rates, resolution stats, customer satisfaction scores, team performance, recent activities, and channel-based analytics, all from one centralized dashboard. With the Activity section, you can monitor a live timeline of everything happening inside your workspace, including contact creation, deals, campaigns, conversations, automations, and other important actions in real time. Inside the Settings section, you can fully customize and manage your entire workspace from one centralized place. Here, you'll find options for profile settings, security, email accounts, channels, AI configuration, auto-reply rules, contacts, team management, workspace settings, notifications, integrations, webhooks, data and privacy, and overall account settings. You can update your personal information, connect email accounts, configure AI behavior, manage team members, create automation rules, control notifications, connect third-party apps, set up webhooks, and manage your workspace security and privacy settings with ease. That's it. We've covered all the main features and setup process of the platform. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team anytime.